Okay, so we got this situation. Position of point with respect to hyperbola. You know that you guys have solved this question so many times. You have solved this same question in circle, parabola, ellipse. Now you have to handle it in hyperbola. Now try to recall that fact. Like, we will give you equation of curve and I will call it as S, and then I'll be giving you a point. Okay, and now you have to judge whether this point lies on the curve, inside the curve, outside the curve. Now in general cases, if S1 point satisfaction, okay, point satisfaction, if it comes out to be 0, we used to call that this point is on the curve. Correct? Hope you remember. Now suppose that if S1 comes out to be a number, S1 is less than 0, then it is inside the curve. If S1 is greater than 0, it is outside the curve. Do you remember? Okay, but here is little bit change. In hyperbola, in only hyperbola, okay, S1 equals to 0, it's on. Okay, means it is same. If S1 is smaller than 0, in reality it has to be what? In. But in hyperbola it will be on out, outside the curve. If S1 comes out to be greater than 0, in general cases it has to be out, but it will be in hyperbola, it will be in. Okay, so this is the change you have to memorize. Now try to understand what is in on out on the case of hyperbola. Suppose that this is the curve. So if I am talking about out, okay, I am talking about out, I am talking about this area. This area I am talking about. Okay, if I am talking about in, I am talking about this zone and this zone. Okay, this is in. And on, so you know, if that point will lie on the wings, it is on. I hope idea is clear.